want you to look around. Stores are closing, layoffs are rising, and the cost of living keeps going up. And if you're steady scrolling and not paying attention, your money will disappear before you even realize it. So I want to talk to you today about something that is so simple, something that could really help us now. If you want to save in this environment, we all need to learn to save our coins. And I'm not saying this from a distance. I'm saying this because of right now in my own life. But here's the truth. We continue to spend the same way and hope things will change, but nothing will get better. Everything that's going on right now is telling us one thing, and that is that we need to save. That means cutting back wherever we can, and it means attention to where our money is going. Even something as simple as groceries. If you've been going out or using apps to order food and you already have groceries sitting in your freezer, in your refrigerator, it may be time to start using what you already paid for. As for me, I had to make these changes. I love me some potato soup, and I could easily go get a cup for about $6. But then I learned how to make it. And with as simple as 4 potatoes. And now I can make it and have some now and save some for later. And I can have it throughout the month. The same goes for me with cheesecake. I love me some cheesecake. Buying it for 7 or 8, maybe sometimes $9 a slice is just unreasonable. So I learned how to make that. And now I can have it whenever I have the need. I make it and I can have a slice or two and then save the rest and have that throughout the month. This saves me more than what you can know. $6, $7 a pop, then 4 or 5 times a month. Just add it up. You'll see. And the same thing is for peach pie, something else I started making myself. Is peach pie and smoothies. I even bought a blender. But I'm doing this to save my coins and, in the end, protect my health. Something that I didn't expect was these things are keeping me active. They're helping me save and they're helping me to be healthy. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you looked at your spending on or small extras? Be honest with yourself. And for me, it didn't stop there. I took a look at my car insurance and I was able to lower it over $120. The same thing for my phone plan. I switched companies and I was able to save over $60. These things of cutting back add up. And I know you can look around and do the same. These companies find ways to gouge us out of our money. It's time to hold on to our coins because right now, as I said, if we look around and see all the things that's going on, there's no one that's going to protect us. So we have to protect ourselves. And it starts by savings. It's not about doing something huge overnight. It's about making small decisions that will protect our money. Because the truth is, it's very easy to lose control right now with the layoffs and all the rising costs that's swirling around us. Buy here, pay later, and Klarna, and so many others. These companies are designed to take our money, to have us spend our money without thinking. They make the payments so low that we say, I can handle that. And before you know it, we've tacked on 2 and 3 more accounts until the spending has reached the max, and we're now working to pay off these items. I explained what I'm doing to get through this, my cutting back, and all of my subscriptions that I've canceled. Before we go into any more debt, I want you to sit down and find out what your numbers on. Find out what you can comfortably afford, what you can comfortably save. And don't think that you can keep all of this in your head, because as we age, we know we are so distracted that we need paper and pencil today. Or we need a calculator or a phone or notes or Notion or something. We need a budget sheet. That's how we'll get through this. We have to save. We need a budget. And if you would like, I could be able to make a budget sheet for you. And I could link it below in my next video. So if you would like to have a budget sheet made in Google Sheets, type yes in the comments, and I will link that in my next video. If you've gotten any value out of this, like the video. I'd appreciate it. And it helps out with the algorithm. That's all I have for now. This is Larea at Simply Be You. This is my 2 cents. Bye for now.